Hello students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal here. Dear students, today I am going to discuss about Karnataka State Board 2nd PUC Business Studies Model Question Paper as per the revised and reduced syllabus for the academic year 2020-2021. Children, this is a reduced syllabus model question paper what I am showing you here. I hope you can get the best from this and you can score a very good marks. The total duration time will be given for you in your board exam, that is 3 hours 15 minutes, and total marks carrying will be 100. And some instructions is been given to the candidate, so please go through the instructions over here. And this is model paper 1 what I am showing you here. See children, in this section A, it carries 10 into 1, that is equals to 10 marks. I hope you all can see this. Just you can go with these questions and start answering those questions. Alright, good. So these are the 1 mark carrying questions, children. I hope you all can see these questions and pause it, stop the video and you can start answering for those questions. And next, coming back to section B, that is 2 mark carrying questions, you need to answer any 10. So this is section B. And then coming back to section C, you need to answer any 7 questions, each carries 4 marks. I hope you all can see these questions. Yes, children. And start practicing some questions related to this and also these chapters. And next, section D, you need to answer any 4 questions, each carries 8 marks, that is equals to 12 marks. And next, last section, section E, practical oriented questions, 5 marks. You need to answer any 2 questions from this. I hope you have got this information about your model question paper 1. Now we discuss model question paper number 2. You can see children, this is model question paper number 2. Same as before what we have discussed. You can just go with these questions. This is section A. These are the questions of section A. You need to answer all the questions. You can see here total marks for these questions 10 into 1, that is equals to 10. Each question carries 1 mark. You need to answer any 10 questions, children. Sorry, not all, any 10 questions. Okay, done. Very good. And next, coming back to section B, you need to answer any 10 questions. Next, section C, I hope you are getting these points. And next, section D, and then we are coming for section E. So this is what we need to explain you all, children. So I hope you have got this business studies model question papers, right? 1 and 2. You can start answering these all questions. So, and also related to these questions, you can practice other questions also belongs to these chapters. So definitely it will give you a good scope to score a very good marks. I hope you all have got this video, right? If you have liked our channel and the video what we have done, so do not forget to click the like button and share this video as much as possible to your all friends. And also, still if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, do subscribe it and click the bell icon for all, so that whatever the videos we are going to upload, it will get you the instant notifications and updates, right? Good. Still we are going to come back with passing package, important questions and etc. for class 10th and even for class 12th board exams. Right? Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Take care. Bye bye. Keep watching.